My name is Angela, and I have a blog and an Instagram page called Beautiful Vegan Kitchen. I make vegan recipes that are healthy. Many of them are organic. And today I'm making a sweet potato chocolate mousse. Yeah. And I'm using sweet potato as the base because it fluffs up much easier than avocado. It's more low budget than some of the other foods that chocolate mousse is made out of, and it's really good. So I put in the blender, I put about 4 to 6 sweet potatoes. I cooked them, boiled them, took the skins off, and then I put them in the blender food processor with about 30 dates. It's very sweet, but you can put less. And I used a can of coconut milk too. And the chocolate is cocoa powder, maple syrup, and coconut oil. And you guys can find the recipe for this on Beautiful Vegan Kitchen on Instagram. So, what I'm gonna do now is blend it all together. And there's gonna be samples after. So definitely come up and get a big spoonful because there's enough. So how many people out there are not vegan? Are there any? Okay, good. So I'm always hoping to persuade non-vegans to go vegan. Okay, 1 second. All right, here it goes. If you guys could see this, it looks really good. All right. Okay, and this right here are coconut chips toasted in a saute pan with no oil for a topping. And there's also some raspberries. Okay. So whoever wants to start coming up and trying the food? Anybody?